What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm taking you guys through my takedown process for my 1-month-old protective style. I haven't done any protective style for this long in, I don't know, in ages. I usually don't do it longer than 2 weeks. And I was so proud of myself that I actually kept it in for 1 month. I definitely wash my hair every single week, and that's the only way I made it through to 1 month. I think it's important to know how to properly take down your protective style because it ensures that you actually retain the length that you gained while your hair was in the protective style.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna be rich and famous. Make I just make all the sleepless nights and the endless cries. Make I just hammer. Oh, I wanna be rich and famous. I don't come this life gon' suffer. One day, I do rock back. Rabba go gada, rich and famous.
Alright guys, so that was my single called Rich and Famous, and it's available everywhere. I really appreciate you guys' support by streaming this song like crazy. Alright guys, so let's jump into today's video. This is my hair and what it's looking like after a 1 month. It's definitely starting to matte a little bit. I may or may not also have gone to bed every single night without my satin scarf. So, but yeah, honestly, sometimes I'm just lazy. Let's just be honest. Sometimes, having natural hair is not always easy. I'm not going to pretend like I'm the perfect natural hair person or whatever. So anyway, to help my struggle of taking down my 1-month-old plaits, I'm using some olive oil, and this helps my hair to slide loose easier. In previous times, I used to use water or water-based products to take down my braids, but wet hair is actually weaker than dry hair. So using a light oil or an oil-based product really helps to get the job done with minimal breakage, but with the same conditioning effect. If you've had a long or frustrating day or both, I definitely suggest that you wait for a more relaxing day to take down your protective style. This would really spare you a lot of breakage. When I'm tired or frustrated, I tend to do a lot more ripping of my hair than gently taking down my braids. So that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. I'm being quite generous with the oil because it really makes this process easier and faster. So you probably don't want to bring out your expensive oil bottle for this process. Okay guys, now if you have fussy hair like mine, then after 1 month of having a protective style, matting like this is not even shocking. All you need to do is try to undo the tangles one small section at a time, using as much oil as you need. Don't rip through any of the tangles except you're not really interested in growing your hair, or maybe you care for uneven hair. I know most people don't, so you do want to take your time at this point. It definitely is worth it. My hair is going to be 3 years post big chop next month. Yay! That's actually April 6th or 7th? April 7th, yeah. My hair is actually not even where I thought it would be by 3 years, but it's been a journey of learning and adapting and also unlearning. I definitely know so much more about my hair than I did at the beginning, like right after I big chopped, so I'm definitely grateful for the process. I've lost some hair along the way, but it's all part of the learning process, and yeah, I'm happy to be where I am. It's a continuous learning process because every length I achieve is new because my hair has never been that long or thick before.
I wanna be rich and famous. Make I just make all the sleepless nights and the endless cries. Make I just hammer. Oh, I wanna be rich and famous. I don't come this life gon' suffer. One day, I do rock back. Rabba go gada, rich and famous. 10 years in the game. I took a little break, it drove me insane. That song I say I won't sing. You say make I come, make I bring another thing. Are you menting? You try to keep my vibe, now they rocking in the millions. Mic check, turn me on.
So you guys see me pulling at the tip of my hair a little bit, and this is to try to get out as much shed hair as I can. If you don't do this before going in to wash your hair, you're going to end up with mad detangles, and that detangling process after is just not fun at all. I'm going to tell you that. So my recommendation is that you try and get as much shed hair out as you possibly can. Then when you're done taking down the whole style, do a pre-poo. After that, thoroughly detangle your hair and get out any more shed hair before you go in to wash your hair. You're going to thank me later. At the end of this video, I show you guys how I make my pre-poo with aloe vera, so make sure you stay tuned to the end for that. I didn't film my wash routine after this protective style because I already have one I shared last year on this channel. So if you want to, you can check it out after this video. I'll leave an iCard for you guys right at the top right corner. My wash day routine has actually changed since last year, but I'm not sure if that's something you guys care for. If you are interested in seeing my updated wash day routine, then give this video a thumbs up, and if I get up to 100 thumbs up, I will do an updated wash day routine.
Famous, make I just make all the sleepless nights and the endless cries, make I just hammer. Oh, I wanna be rich and famous. I don't come this life gon' suffer. One day, I do rock back, rapper go gada, rich and famous. 10 years in the game, I took a little break.
Alright guys, so on to my pre-poo and how I make my pre-poo. So I have an aloe vera plant in my house. It's a very small one. My aloe veras don't get as big as half of the ones I see here on YouTube. So anyway, how I prepare it is I just kind of cut off the thorns on the sides of the aloe vera, just very thinly. You don't want to cut too far in so you don't lose any of the gel. So once you've cut your aloe vera on the two sides, you've cut off the prickly sides, you want to then cut your aloe vera down the middle into two. So you're going to have two sides with the gel. Then after that, you want to grab your bowl and a metal spoon. I've tried a plastic spoon. With the metal spoon, it's just a lot easier. So you want to use the metal spoon to scoop out the gel. I'm not too particular if I get any skin into the bowl. I don't really care because I'm going to have to blend the mixture anyway, and I don't think there's anything dangerous about having the green part of the leaf. So yeah, I'm not too picky about that. So if you don't want the green parts, then you can make sure that you don't get any into the bowl, but I'm not too particular. If I get a little bit in, it's cool. So this is what you want to do to all of your aloe vera leaves. One day, rich and famous. I wanna be rich and famous. I don't come this life gon' suffer. One day, I do rock back. So next you want to pop all the gel in a blender. I didn't get so much because then again my aloe vera leaves are so small. So you want to just blend it until it's smooth. I'm not gonna lie, this particular day I was so tired, I was lazy, and I didn't strain the aloe vera gel. Big mistake, I'm telling you. After you blend, you want to strain this gel with a very fine sieve, because till now I still have bits of aloe vera in my hair. Best believe that. This was my first time of doing this without straining it, and yeah, I'm not gonna do that again. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I just put in all the aloe vera in my hair and let it sit for a bit, and then I went in to wash my hair. If you want to see me use my pre-poo in another video, definitely let me know and I'll get that to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my song Rich and Famous, and also check out some of my other hair videos on this channel. I have a whole playlist for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.